Welcome! We're going to learn about how to use UoPeople's online campus, hosted on Moodle. When you log into the UoPeople campus, you'll see the official UoPeople time clock at the top of the page. Knowing the official UoPeople time will help make sure you don't miss an assignment deadline. Each new learning week begins on Thursday at 12:05 a.m. UoPeople time and ends on Wednesdays at 11:55 p.m. UoPeople time. Scrolling down the page, you'll see a list of current courses. If you click on a course, you will find different links organized by a variety of topics, such as the syllabus, the textbook, and announcements by your course instructor. For each week during the course, there will be a new learning unit. As the term progresses, you'll be able to see prior weeks, but not future ones. UoPeople provides a flexible learning experience for students that they can access 24/7. This unique online flexibility allows for the 73% of our students with family responsibilities and 92% who are employed to pursue their degree. At the beginning of a new learning week, students are expected to read their learning guides. The learning guide will help you prepare for each unit by outlining topics, course objectives, and tasks. Here's where we see the weekly reading assignments. In this case, the assignment is to read Chapter 2 of the textbook, which can also be printed. UoPeople is part of the Open Educational Resources movement, meaning that all reading materials are free of charge for our students. Sometimes, there may be recommended videos to watch. However, videos are optional, so you don't have to worry about internet speeds or data. After reading the weekly assignment, students are required to participate in the discussion forum, where they are asked to review at least 3 of their peers' work. The power of peer-to-peer learning is that it teaches students international cooperation and prepares them for employment on a global scale. It's easy to organize your messages in the discussion forum. 4 views will help you sort your messages. View the oldest first, view the newest first, display replies in threaded form, or display replies in nested form. The final view makes rating the assignments by your peers easy. Just set your view to display replies in nested form, and rating boxes will appear under the main replies only. While there are multiple views of the discussion forum, keep in mind that the correct display of rating boxes only happens when you use the display replies in nested form setting. Written assignments are graded by your peers, while the learning journal is graded by your instructor. Learning journals are designed to help students reflect on what they have learned each week. To help you stay on track, a course completion block will help you visualize the progress you are making in each course. The stages you need to complete are displayed and color-coded to help you understand exactly what activities you're supposed to complete during a course. Remember, you can always privately message your course instructor through the messaging system in the UoPeople online campus. At the end of each course, students are required to submit a final paper completed with fellow students and evaluated by their peers. Depending on the course, a multiple-choice exam might also be part of the final grade. If you have questions, reach out to your program advisor through our chatbot, Michelle. You can also ask your peers on our global network, Yammer. That's it! You're ready to study at the world's first high-quality, tuition-free, accredited, 100% online university.